Hello my dear students, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Our lesson today is project part 2. You will find this lesson on your student book page 61 and workbook page 51. First, let's listen to our school vision.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
Visual classroom rules. Find a quiet space. Be on time. Come prepared. Be respectful. And no eating. Let's start our lesson for today. Open your student book page 61. Now, let's look at this. Below is a poster that Mark made. Did he wear glasses last year? Has he got a pet now? Read and answer. Now, we are going to read in order to find out the answer to this question.
Module 5 Project 1. Below is a poster that Mark made. Did he wear glasses last year? Has he got a pet now? Read and answer.
Then and now. Last year, I took the bus to school. I did karate on Saturday afternoons. I didn't wear glasses. I went to bed at 8 o'clock. I didn't have a pet cat. I didn't eat fruit. This year, I ride my bike to school. I do karate 3 times a week. I wear glasses. They are green. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I have got a pet cat. Its name is Lizzie. I eat fruit twice a day.
So who can answer me the questions? Yeah, he didn't. Very good. He didn't wear a glasses. He didn't wear glasses last year. Has he got a pet? Yes, of course he has got a cat pet or a pet cat. Its name is Lizzie. Now, let's read how to write a poster. First, you have to stick an old photo of you on a piece of a card. Make a list of things that you did a year ago. On the other side, stick a recent photo of yours on a piece of card. Make a list of the things you do now.
Module 5.
Now let's say the answer again. I didn't wear glasses. So no, he didn't. He didn't wear glasses last year. The other question. Has he got a pet now? Yes, let's find the answer here. I have got a pet cat. Its name is Lady. Now, let's learn what are the tenses used. Of course, we use here the past simple. So we talk about last year, we use past simple. Now let's underline the past verbs. Yes, talk, very good. Did, didn't wear, went. I didn't have, so I didn't have. I didn't eat. Now let's underline the present simple verbs. I write, do, wear. They are, go, have got, is, eat. Now let's go to our workbook page 51. Activity 1. Look at and read Jerry's poster and then complete each side of it. Use the correct forms of the past simple and the present simple. Here we have a boy 5 years ago and a boy this year. He says, 5 years ago I went to school by bus. I did karate after school. I went to bed at 8 o'clock. Play word games with friends. Now let's put and make a sentence using the past simple. So I played board games with my friends. Now this year I walk to school, play volleyball after school. So let's make a sentence here. I play volleyball after school. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I chat online with friends. Now you can check your answer. Now let's move to activity number 2. Read the poster again and write D for true and F for false. Let's read number 1. Jerry walked to school. Did he walk? False, very good. He didn't go to bed at 9 o'clock. Great job, it's true. He does karate after school. False. He played online games with his friends. False. Now, my dear students, let's move to the most important part of our lesson today. Complete the table with information about you 3 years ago and now. Go to school 3 years ago this year. Yeah, 3 years ago I went to school by bus. This year I walk to school. Notice here that 3 years ago I use the past simple. But when I am going to talk about this year, I use the present simple. I walk. Do after school. Yeah. I did my homework. This year I do my homework. Go to bed. I went to bed at 8 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Free time activity. I played with dolls. I chat with my friends. Other activities or habits. I like to watch cartoons. I read stories. Now use the information from the table in Activity 3 and make your own poster in your notebook or on a piece of card. Don't forget to use the past simple to talk about last year, present simple to talk about this year. This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you are enjoying the video. Thank you for listening.